Saturday, January 5, 2008. I'm able to take these shots from inside the water. This is my first time that I'm courageous enough to pull out the E90 and take footage while I'm inside the kayak. It's a very delicate balancing act. I'm at the very extremity of the lake, facing northward towards the Aso Rock, which is my target for today. Here it is, the Aso. Look at the curvature. It's almost a perpendicular drop from the top. Okay, I'm trying to do a 360 in the boat, in the kayak, so that you could see the whole scenery. Can you hear the background noise, Suzanne? I'm not really making this up. Today I'm in my jeans because I want to try to go up the Aso, or the rock as I call it. I don't know if I'll be able to. I did some mapping from Google Earth. I have drawn a trajectory and hopefully I can go up. I think that's what you need for a modern day explorer: an E90, a kayak, and an updated version of Google Earth. That's what you need. Every other thing is just extras. Okay, signing off now.